6 losses that can be eliminated using TPM. 1. Equipment breakdowns, eliminating unexpected equipment failures and reducing downtime through preventive maintenance and operator involvement in maintenance tasks. 2. Setup and changeover time, minimizing the time required for equipment changeovers and setups by implementing standardized procedures, streamlining processes, and reducing adjustments. 3. Idling and minor stoppages, identifying and addressing the root causes of minor stoppages and idle time to maximize equipment uptime and productivity. 4. Reduced speed, optimizing equipment speed and performance to achieve the maximum production rate and meet customer demand. 5. Defects and rework, implementing quality maintenance practices to prevent defects, reduce rework, and improve overall product quality. 6. Startup and yield losses, improving startup procedures and minimizing yield losses during equipment startup or after maintenance activities through effective planning and standardized processes. 7. TPM also focuses on eliminating losses due to energy consumption, material wastage, and any other factors that affect overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. 8. By addressing these 6 losses, TPM aims to optimize equipment availability, performance, and quality, resulting in increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. 9. TPM utilizes techniques such as autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, and continuous improvement to identify and eliminate the root causes of these losses. 10. It emphasizes a proactive and preventive approach to maintenance, focusing on early detection of potential issues and taking corrective actions before they lead to significant losses or breakdowns. 11. TPM promotes a culture of continuous improvement and employee involvement, encouraging operators and maintenance personnel to work together to identify and address the sources of losses and inefficiencies. 12. Through TPM, organizations aim to create a stable and reliable production environment, where equipment downtime, defects, and performance issues are minimized, and the overall equipment effectiveness is maximized. 13. TPM also promotes the use of data and metrics to measure and monitor equipment performance, identify improvement opportunities, and track progress in eliminating losses. 14. By eliminating these losses, TPM helps organizations achieve higher levels of productivity, reduce costs, improve product quality, and enhance overall competitiveness in the market. 15. TPM requires a cross-functional and collaborative approach, involving various departments such as production, maintenance, quality, and engineering, to work together towards achieving the common goal of eliminating losses and maximizing equipment effectiveness. 16. It involves ongoing training and skill development for operators and maintenance personnel to enhance their knowledge and capabilities in equipment care, maintenance practices, and problem-solving techniques. 17. TPM also emphasizes the importance of employee engagement and empowerment, encouraging them to contribute ideas, suggestions, and improvements for equipment reliability and performance. 18. By systematically addressing the 6 losses, TPM helps organizations create a culture of continuous improvement, where equipment reliability, efficiency, and quality are constantly monitored and enhanced. 19. TPM is a long-term commitment that requires dedication, discipline, and sustained efforts from the entire organization to achieve and maintain manufacturing excellence.